Hello, experiential learners. It's Steve. I hope that you're doing really well and had a wonderful Thanksgiving. It's final evaluation time. So, this is the point in the semester where I send an email out to your site supervisor to ask them to complete a comprehensive final evaluation on your learning, development, and performance as an intern. So this short video is designed to show you what the report will look like. So you will receive a final site supervisor evaluation report that looks just like this. And I'm going to just walk you through some of the components or elements of the report right now. So here we go. So once again, similar to the mid-semester assessment, we're asking your site supervisor to provide an evaluation on a variety of different factors. So using a sliding scale to evaluate your effectiveness with regard to these different characteristics, qualities, whatever you would like to refer to them as, and providing a numerical evaluation. So you see there a 0 to 100-point scale. I'm using myself as a sample here for this final evaluation report. So again, very similar to what you experienced in your mid-semester assessment. Now, where we go a little bit deeper in the final evaluation is right here. So we're asking somewhat some open-ended questions. So how has the intern developed since day one? So hopefully your site supervisor will provide some substantive information there as to any details or specifics in terms of how you have grown and how you have changed and how you've transformed through this experience. And then we're asking some more direct questions. Would they hire you if a position opened up on their staff that was a good fit? And that's just simply a yes or no question. And then you see there in the bottom right-hand corner, we're asking your site supervisor to assign a letter grade based on your performance as an intern. So this is the part of the evaluation that where I really hope your site supervisor will provide some actual specific feedback. So we want to know kind of how have you impacted your organization? How have you impacted your internship site? What are some different ways that you've contributed? So you're going to see these listed here in the report. Sometimes there's more than three, sometimes there's less than three. It doesn't mean one thing or the other if there's only one versus four or five. I'm not going to dock you any points if there's only one versus four or five. So no worries there. But again, we're just really hoping that your site supervisor will provide some specific information as to the impact, the change, the contribution that you made to your internship site. One of the final items is what skills or areas could the intern improve upon? So again, we have talked about, I think in several points in this course, the importance of feedback and evaluation and how both feedback and evaluation are really critical to our personal and professional identities. I should say building our personal and professional identity. Without feedback, we don't know how we're performing. We don't know if there are areas that we need to really work on. We don't know necessarily also what we're doing really well. And without feedback, we have a tendency to plateau. So we always want to be open to constructive areas for improvement that our professional supervisors might be providing for us. So again, hopefully when I send the email to your site supervisor and I receive the evaluation back, there's going to be some depth to depth to the response to this question. So not just not available or no response at all. We want them to actually include some information here that will benefit you in different ways. So finally, I'll be sending the emails out to your site supervisors on Monday, November 30th. That's tomorrow. I'm recording this on Sunday evening, the 29th. So this will be sent out to your site supervisors tomorrow, Monday, November 30th. That gives them, as you can see here, a whole 2 weeks to complete the evaluation and get it back to me. It's a Qualtrics assessment once again, so it shouldn't take terribly long for your site supervisor to complete it. One of the reasons that you get this report is really to provide you value and worth in terms of another tangible that you're going to be able to showcase to a graduate program or to a potential career path that you might be interested in or applying for. So you have now already the mid-semester evaluation report. So we're going to now give you a final evaluation report in the format that I just kind of walked you through. So you'll have the 2 evaluation reports. You'll also have one of the other things I'll be focusing on this week is the final projects a little bit, talking a little bit more about those later this week as well. So you'll have those as tangibles as well, your mini poster and your mini poster video. All right, so as always, if you have any comments, questions, or concerns, please let me know at syoung17@umd.edu. I thank you so much for your time and listening. Have a great night.